Evening guys, William from Leeds Magneters, Magnet Fishing Restorations as well. Craig's got a new channel out, YouTube channel. Give it a like and subscribe. Leeds Magneters Restorations, doing a lot of lock keys and stuff like that. One of the things we found in Birmingham when we were out with Peaky Dippers and Johnson's Adventures and friends was this. It's an old penknife, we think World War II, we're unsure. Think it was used for opening cans. It's really, as you can see, encrusted, so I'm going to give it a clean first, see what we can get off. You just see on this side, just there, looks like leather. Look, see bits falling off of it already. So I'm just going to give that a clean up. We'll do a bit of electrolysis on it, see how it turns out. We actually got some other things as well. I'll give this a bit of a clean. This is what Andrew Parker's found. Shotgun trigger. Looks quite really unsure about. There's no serial number on it. We're not sure about this thing here. That's been, I think, might have been welded on over it. And the markings, if you can just see, I'll try and get it there. There's 3 of them. We are so unsure. Make, model. We know it's a double due to the fact of the 2 pins, one there and one there. There is another marking on that side. Let's see if I can get a better close up and no. But yeah, absolute mint find that one. Really good nick. I've actually just found a number on it. Let's have a look. 0404, I think it is. You can just see. Don't think you'll be able to see in here because it is a bit dark where I am. Try and get a number off that. It looks like 043, either 04 or 84 on the part number. So we'll try and get a bit of a where that's come from. Also, the other things we found, these little babies. I believe the musket shots. They're too crude to be ball bearings, as you can just see. I'm trying to give you a better look because I am in my shed, so there you go. That's the ones I've cleaned up. Not too bad. There's the other one. You just see maybe there. A little bit dark in here, but Glenn Johnson got one out. Marvin Magneteers, he cleaned us up at the side of the canal. That looked really mint. Steve Forrest got one out. We got 3. So we believe that if they are iron musket balls, not lead. Lead was around about 1700s onwards. Iron musket balls were first ever found on the Mary Rose in 1545, I think, if my memory serves me right. So round about the era for the iron ones. So yeah, nice find if we have. Right, let me get a bit of a clean up on this for you, so you can knock some of this rubbish off. And we'll I'll put you down so you can see a little bit. Might get a bit noisy. So guys, little update. As you can just see as I'm panning in there now, if you can, a little bit blurry there you go, all the bubbles coming off that nicely. All the sediment there working its way up to the top. So after a couple of hours, I've put a charger on a pulse now, which I'll just keep going at a trickle rate. As you can just see, she's looking good. Little bits there you can see are falling off already after an hour or so. Yeah, we'll catch you in a bit, guys. Right, we're back, guys. I've done the electrolysis on the penknife, as you can just see. Still loads on it there, so we're just going to get the old little Dremel on, see if we can get a bit more off. Looking a lot better than what it did. So let's give this a bit of a clean up there. Next thing you're going to see is it's going to take a while. I'll probably fast forward it by about 5 times. Now, probably as best I'm going to get it. Get all the casing nice and shiny now. Like I say, looks leather, feels leather. I say there's a lot of damage on that, but this is what I'm concerned about. This one here, thought it was going to be that brittle, but it's solid steel. Got as good as I can. A bit more shiny there on the back end. Like I say, trying to take a picture up there. Looking good. I think that bit there used to be open the ration tins. There's no number on it, no like that. And like I just see if I just pop that back down. Let's see now. It opens up quite nicely. Could do a bit of oil there. Pop that back in there. That bit there used to be look like another blade or something. It's all that brittle. I mean, let me just show you. That's what came out of it. So yeah, it's a shame, but and there we go. Works a treat now that, because it only went to about there. Took all rubbish out of it. Got it looking a bit better. And there we go. One old, looks like an army issue knife or an army knife. Oh, making a lot of noise there now. And yeah, really chuffed with that now. So there we go. One knife, all cleaned up, nice and shiny. So yeah. Now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll stick this video up. You can have a browse it. See if I can find a bit of information on it, but yeah, it looks a lot better than what it did. Did about 12 hours electrolysis. I just see that it doesn't half look brittle. Open it up. So yeah, quite chuffed for that. Really pleased that it didn't fall to pieces. Got that moving a lot more better now, you can see. Sure, this is leather. Sure, it feels like it. It could be hard plastic. But yeah, like and subscribe. LeedsMagneters, Magnet Fishing Restorations, that's Craig's new channel he's doing. This is mine, Magnet Fishing Restorations, with LeedsMagneters. All the finds we get, especially on electrolysis. So yeah, at the end of the day, let's crack on and I'll catch it again. Thanks for watching.